Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a word that often confuses English learners: debris. At first glance, you might think it's pronounced exactly as it's spelled, but there's a trick to it. Let's get straight to it. The correct pronunciation is debris. Debris. Notice something? The S at the end is silent. Many people mistakenly say debris, but the correct way is debris, just 2 syllables. Let's break it down. Duh. This part is soft and quick, like the D in depend. Brie. This part is strong and clear, rhyming with tree or free. Now let's say it together slowly. Debris. A little faster. Debris. At full speed. Debris. Now what does debris mean? This word refers to scattered pieces of waste, broken materials, or leftover fragments after destruction, like the remains of a collapsed building or leaves scattered after a storm. It comes from the French language, which is why the silence remains in English. There you have it. Now you know how to pronounce debris and what it means. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Have a tricky word in mind? Drop it in the comments and I'll cover it next. See you in the next video. Blast off.